Printing may not be as common as it used to be, but there'll still be times when you need to get your data on paper. When you print from within an Excel document, you can choose to print part of a worksheet, an entire worksheet, portions of a workbook, or all the worksheets in your workbook. Before you commit to sending your document to your printer, you have a couple of ways of reviewing it. First, you can use the Print Preview option, which lets you see what the printed version of your document will look like. Another option you have is to use the Page Break Preview, which lets you see and change where page breaks are in your document. Excel also has some options for adding additional text to each page of your document, including the Print Title feature, which lets you include rows or columns from your data on every page of your printout. Predefined header and footer text, which you can add to your document to include things like the document name, the current date, and page numbers. And there's also a way to add completely customized headers and footers to your document. We'll be covering all these topics and more in the upcoming videos.